Collaborative practice is a client-focused, out-of-court resolution process where the professionals are helping to get the clients the information they need to make the decisions they need to make in order to uncouple gracefully.
Children don't belong in court. And what collaborative practice does is it gives couples the support they need to help restructure their lives without doing it in a way that involves fighting and bitterness and involves paying a whole lot of money to stay in the court system.
It helps families address divorce not only under the legal perspective, but also under their emotional relationships and economical aspects as well.
There's a lawyer for each party, and they're collaboratively trained and usually very experienced in family law and in collaborative work. But we also bring in neutrals when needed, so a financial neutral could come in and help crunch the numbers. And what we don't want is a situation where we have one parent who's going to be really well off financially and the other parent struggling to survive. We also bring in child specialists or family and communication specialists who can help work out a really robust parenting plan.
It makes for healthier, happier children. It makes for better co-parenting, and altogether makes for a happier result for absolutely everyone in the family.
In the litigation process, it's not about supporting the two parties together. It's a matter of dominating and winning, and it's a battle.
I litigated for 20 years, and during that time, I tore apart a lot of families. I enabled conflict. I enabled angry attitudes, disrespect towards each other.
If you have children, moms and dads can't divorce, husbands and wives do. Traditional divorce is all about settlement, whereas in collaborative, we're about durable agreements that says, this is an agreement that's going to be okay in 5 months, in 5 years, in 15 years.
Many people don't understand when they're going through the litigation routes that almost everything they do is in the public realm. And so years later, their children can look into the court files and see the accusations that the parents were throwing out against one another. In the collaborative process, that's not the case at all.
We also find that it is much more cost and time efficient for the couple, which is a very important consideration, considering the cost of litigation.
We stick around and we're there to help them when they say, oh, you know what, splitting Christmas right in the middle of the day every single year was probably not the best choice that we've ever made. So we can come back in and we can help them to recraft things.
It's a great way of trying to resolve and work towards an uncontested divorce. And I think, when there are children involved, I think this is a real safe environment.
They have a healthy, intact family at the end of it. That's the benefit of collaborative practice.